In this lesson, we will be identifying quadratic patterns and writing equations. Identify the type of pattern. We are given a pattern 4, 16, 36, and 64. 4 is the first term, 16 is the second term, 36 is the third term, and 64 is the fourth term. Now find the first difference to see if it is constant. If the first difference is constant, then it's a linear. So the difference between 4 and 16 is 12. 16 and 36 is 20. And 36 and 64 is 28. So the first difference is not constant. So this is not a linear function. Now we have to find the second difference. To find the second difference, the difference between 12 and 20 is 8. And 20 and 28 is 8. So this is a quadratic sequence. The second difference is a constant. Find the fifth and sixth terms. So to find the fifth and sixth terms, since we don't know the first difference for the terms, we have to find the first difference first. We know second difference is always 8. So we add 8. We add 8 to 28, which is 36. This is 36. So this is 64 plus 36, which is 100. Now to find the sixth term, we add 8 to 36, we have 44. So now this one sixth term will be 100 plus 44, which is 144. Now we want to find the y value when x is 0. Y value when x is 0. So we'll work backwards. We'll subtract 8. Working backwards, subtract 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Which is 4. So now we want to find the 0 term. We'll say the first term is 4 minus 4. Our 0 term is 0. So our y-intercept is 0 if we graph this. Find the equation of the sequence. We know the general formula of quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We know that a is half of the second difference and c is the y-intercept. So we can find values of a and c here. Our second difference was 8. So half of 8 is 4. So a is 4. From the table, when we work backwards to find a 0 term, so when x is 0, the y value we have is the y-intercept. So our c was 0. Find the value of b. Use 0.14. So 1 is x, 4 is y. To find the value of b in y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We know the value of a. Value of a is 4. And we knew the value of c is 0. In our equation, we are going to find, we use this equation, we are going to find the value of b. So our x is 1, our y is 4. plug in. Y is 4, A is 4, X is 1. We don't know the value of B, X is 1, and C is 0. So you have 4 plus, 4 equals, 1 squared is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, plus B times 1 is B. Now we want to isolate B, we subtract 4 both sides. B equals 0. So now we want to write our equation. In our equation we have y equals 4x squared. B is 0, so we do not have B extend, and C is 0. This is our final equation.